Before I jump into the product, I want to set a little context. Tax preparation hasn't gotten easier, but expectations have gone way up. Clients expect speed and clarity. Firms are dealing with capacity constraints, and practitioners are still responsible for accuracy, judgment, and trust at the end of the day. So what I'm going to show you isn't about replacing the tax professional. It's about removing friction so practitioners can spend more time reviewing, deciding, and advising, and less time chasing documents or redoing work. Everything you'll see starts where tax work actually begins: intake. This is where tax workflow either gets clean or complicated. Every client's tax situation is different, and it changes year to year. The goal here isn't to collect more information, it's to collect the right information. So instead of starting from a static checklist, I can create a document request that's informed by what we already know about this client: prior year returns, existing records, historical context. Whether I start from a template or write a short prompt, the system is referencing what's already on file to build a tailored request list. The value for practitioners here is simple but meaningful: fewer follow-ups, less rework once prep starts, and far more confidence that nothing critical is missing. And this part matters. I stay in control. If something doesn't apply, I remove it. If something's missing, I add it. Those adjustments aren't just edits, they inform future requests. Intake improves because it's learning from professional judgment. From the client side, this shows up as a single, secure place to interact with the firm. Clients can log in, see exactly what's needed, and upload files individually or in bulk. As documents come in, they're automatically matched to the request list when possible. If something doesn't match cleanly, it still gets attached, so nothing is lost and no one has to go hunting. The practical outcome here is less interruption once prep begins, and fewer "can you resend that" moments during tax season. Once documents are in, the next bottleneck is organization. Renaming files, sorting PDFs, making sure everything follows firm standards before prep starts. Necessary work, but not judgment work. Here I can apply firm-defined naming conventions and rename files in bulk. Each document is read, classified, and named based on those standards. Anything that can't be confidently handled is flagged for review. This does two things for the practitioners. It saves hours of manual cleanup, and it ensures prep and review start from an organized, trusted foundation. That consistency really matters when work is moving fast. Now we're ready to move into preparation. At this point, prior year returns and current year documents are already aligned because intake and organization were handled up front. Instead of rekeying data or moving between systems, prep can begin with clean inputs already in place. The value here isn't just speed, it's capacity. By automating the mechanical parts of preparation, firms can move more returns through the pipeline without adding headcount or relying on late nights. Practitioners spend more time reviewing and less time assembling. As prep progresses, I can see where the return stands, route it for review, and know exactly what needs attention. And once prep is complete, the work papers are organized and connected back to the client record and your tax software, ready for delivery, reference, or future planning. When you step back, this is what modern tax prep should feel like. Not rushed, not fragmented, and not dependent on heroics during peak season. When intake, organization, and prep work are together, firms reduce risk, protect their teams, and create capacity for higher value work. That's what innovation in tax preparation should deliver. Technology that gets out of the way so practitioners can do their best work.